On this week's episode of the Boho Family Adventure.
Chocolate up your nose.
You want to come and banana with me?
Hi, I'm Kyla.
Hi, I'm Indi.
And I'm Matt.
And this is our home, Bovana.
And this is our journey from going from a 9 to 5 to living outside. Our Boho Family Adventure.
I don't know if you can hear us because it's super duper windy. Me and Indi are on our own little adventure. Daddy is working. And that particular festival may be a little bit rowdy for this one. So bear with me, let's put this hat back on. Don't think it's going to stay on very much, is it? Let's try again. Yeah? You ready? You going to come back in? Come on. So yeah, we're on a little bit of a windy walk. We're going to go and explore. See what's around this campsite. It's absolutely massive. Where are we? I can't remember what it's called. No, we're in Newark, so we're actually in the Sherwood Forest. And yeah, this site is huge. It took us 20 minutes just to walk down to the shop yesterday. So Madden wants to go for another walk to go and get another ice cream. So like an ice lolly. So that's what we're gonna do. Go find the chickens if they haven't blown away. And yeah, see you there.
Bye-bye.
So as I said before, it's such a long way to get to the shop. There's a bar, there's even a swimming pool, but it's too cold for that. There's like a go out kind of thing. There's so much to do. But like I was saying, since that far, she decided she needed to go on my back. No, I'm up there. But here you go, we'll get there quicker.
And now I just choose something that's raining.
You want to choose what?
Something cool like in shopping.
Like in a shop, yeah, okay. I think they're actually having a festival here, setting one up. I don't know if you can see back there. But they're definitely setting something up here. This site's massive. Look at this. It is absolutely, they've even got some like safari sheds. Lodges. Looks like a shed. Yeah, it's absolutely huge. So yeah, I'll show you around the shop in a bit.
Ice cream.
That's it. Is it nice?
Like chocolate, like cocoa, and it's a pony, and it's a unicorn.
Right, okay. So yeah, we've managed to get an ice cream. And when in a gift shop, you can't ever go in with a child and not come out with something else. So as it's super duper windy, we decided to get a kite. Problem is, I have not flown a kite since I was maybe 6 years old. That was a very long time ago. And yeah, so wish me luck trying to understand how to fly a kite again. Anyway, I'm sure we'll do it. It's super windy. So, Indi.
Hi.
Look.
Hello.
No, it's safe. See you soon.
And I got my ice cream.
Chocolate up your nose. That's it, take it out. Lovely. Indi. Indi. Give me the ice cream. Oh no, ice cream all over the jumper. Oh man. Ah. Indi. Indi. I can't stop viewing this as well.
The state of this child. Look at the state of, sorry, I have literally been crying with laughter. Look at the state of this child. Smile. You've got... chocolate. Oh, too funny. Okay, so I can't remember where we were before, but you can't see it because it's backwards. So we are in Walsby Forest, so Sherwood Forest, I think. We're going to go and try and fly this kite. Come on then, Puds, let's go. Let's go and try and fly this kite. Come on. Have you got it? Come here, show us one. What have you got? A kite. And your juice. And we're going to go back to Bovara and fly this kite?
Yeah!
Right, let's do it. There's chickens! So many chickens! Honestly, I think there's about 100 chickens roaming around this site. I'm surprised they haven't been blown away by the wind, to be quite honest, but hey, they're still there. I wonder if they've got any eggs. Are you making any eggs, chicks? Ah, we love chickens, don't we?
Yeah, Bob.
Yeah?
I'm thinking eggs.
Oh, Daddy loves chickens. It's his favourite animal. See you later, chicks. Right, come on, Pumpkin.
Okay.
Alright, I'm not gonna lie. These are the worst instructions I've ever seen. And I have no idea what I'm doing, and this child is getting impatient. Right, okay, wish me luck. Okay, it's very evident I cannot fly a kite. Like, I literally don't know what to do. Oh, no, it's not doing it. This one's in absolute stitches. Let me see if I can show you how I'm trying to get this kite up. Hang on. Oh, Lord. Right, okay. Let me show you how terrible I am at trying to fly a kite. And this one thinks it's hilarious. I don't know what I'm doing. Can someone please tell me how to fly a kite? Because my daughter's doing better than I am, and oh yeah, she's way better. I don't know if you can see her there. Don't let go of the red thing, because it'll be off. Hold the handle. That's it. Oh, she's telling the wind to stop. Yeah, hints and tips please on a postcard, that would be fantastic. This is where I need Matt, because Matt would have been able to fly a kite. Instead, I'm just going to have one annoyed child in a minute. She can't get that bloody thing to go up. Practice practice makes perfect apparently, so we'll give that a go.
Go!
Nice work! You're getting good! Try it with your little hoop.
Cool. Okay, I will.
We love hooping. Try again. Go on then. Wow, no, that's so good. I think that's the best one yet.
I tried this.
Okay. Oh, it's a big one. That's Mummy's, isn't it? Whoa! Yeah! So good!
Ready, set, go!
Whoa, that was really good!
Ready, come on, go with me.
So we have chickens. And Indi wants to invite them into Bovana. She wants them in the van. Look how cute they are.
Because they want to, because they're cold.
They're cold, are they?
Yeah,
So they need to come inside.
yeah.
Oh,
Come on,
that's a
chicken.
cute one,
You
isn't it?
can go inside.
Oh,
They chicken are going inside.
they are literally chickens roaming around everywhere.
Come on, chicken.
Cute. There's a SHIT shop here, and of course when you take a child into one of those shops you come out with a bag load of crap. So yeah, but hey, she's happy. Here we go. I think I've lost my ice cream. Have I lost it? Is it yours now? Is it yours? As you can see, I have 100% lost my ice lolly. Okay, so we have bought, what have we bought?
We got a baby. His name is Duba.
Juniper. So the baby's name is Juniper. However, she's been wandering around calling it Wolf Basket. So here, there you go. Show everyone what you're doing.
This is my basket.
Is it?
Because the
You show
baby
them.
wants to be,
Back then.
and their cousins going toasty. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Woof, woof, woof.
How
And the
beautiful.
brother on the top, and we got, and I eat mommy wine for me.
You ate Mummy's ice lolly.
I'm punching the sticky.
You're all sticky.
And bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye. Thank you for joining us on our adventure this week. Please subscribe for more of our videos and make sure that you come and say hi in the comments.
See you next week. Bye.